Hi, hello. I am Ajithkumar in AP CSE. Today, our topic is cellular system. See the goals: low power transmission system and increase network capacity, frequency reuse, built robust, scalable system, and the architecture with different user, different places. Then the idea is partition the region into smaller region called cells. Each cell get at least one base station or tower. The user within a cell talks to the tower. See the cellular structure. Then properties of cell structure. The typical cell sizes. See the some cities few hundred meters. Some countries side few tens of kilometers. The advantage of cell structure is more capacity due to frequency reusage. The next less transmission power needed, more robust failure. Then next is deals inference and transmission area locality. Then next we see about the problem, fixed network needed for the base stations. Then next handover is changing from one cell to another necessary. Then interference with other cells. See the inside a cell, center exited cell where the tower is placed somewhat near the center with your omnidirectional antenna. The edge existed cell where the tower are placed on 3 or 6 corners with sectored directional antennas. The next channel reuse, cell structure can reuse frequency only when certain distance is maintained between cells that use the same channel. First is fixed frequency assignment. The certain frequencies are assigned to certain cell. Problem. What are the problem is difficult traffic load in the different cells. Then next see about the dynamic frequency assignment. The first is base station chooses frequencies depending on the frequencies already used in the neighbor cells. They more capacity in cells with more traffic. The assignment can also be based on interference measurements. See the interference, co-channel interference, adjacent channel interference, but available channels decreases for incoming calls. See the frequency reuse factor. Total available channel is S. The N is adjacent cells share S channel. System has M cluster. Each cell gets K channels. S equal to Kn is the formula. Capacity of the system is C. C equal to Mkn. Frequency reuse factor is 1 divided by N. See the geometry of a hexagonal cell. There are visibility in 30 degrees. See the co-channel interference, it is a function of Q equal to T divided by R, where R is the cell of radius and D is the co-channel of separation distance. See the note is D is a function of N and S divided by I, where N is the number of interfering channel in the first tier and S divided by I is the signal of interference ratio in a fully equipped hexagonal shaped system. N is the always is 6. Types of handoff, hard handoff and soft handoff. Hard handoff is a mobile user passed between disjoint towers that assign different frequency or adapt different interface technology. The next is soft handoff. The mobile user communicates to two towers and signal is treated as a multipath signal. See the high priority of handoff. Fraction of available channels is kept for handoff purpose. These channel are called GERD channel. See the other problem with the handoff. High speed vehicles can cross many small cells in a short time. Another problem is called cell tracking. Improving capacity, sectoring, cell splitting. Then generation of the cellular system is 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G. 1G is based on analog and FM. 2G is based on digital TDMA, CDMA. 3G is based on multimedia. See the AMPS architecture. The first is going mobile station and goes to land station, then upward of mobile telephone switching office, then they go to public switched telephone network. See the frequency 40 MHz. Expand spectrum, original spectrum is 40 MHz that, then expanded spectrum is additional 10 MHz set. Channel allocation, each channel gets 30 kHz set. So call takes two channels, forward channel and reverse channel. Forward channel tower to mobile, reverse channel is mobile to tower. Spectrum is divided into two bands, A and B bands, two cellular operating license, each authorized to use 416 channels. Expanded. The control channel 42 channel, 42 channel, 21 is each band are called control channel. That carry only system information. Receiver turns to control channel. It is used this channel to establish contact with the tower and determine what channel to use for conversation. Then power control is AMPS terminal can transmit 6 or 8 different power levels. See the AMPS identifiers: MIN, ESN, SID, SCM, SAT, DCC. See the size bits: MIN is 34 bit, ESN is 32 bit, SID is 15 bit, SCM is 4 bit, SAT is into multi-dimens bit, DCC is 2 bit. Then thank you.